Simcoe.
What's going on, brother?
Thank you for joining us.
Absolutely.
This is our client Simcoe. He brought in a beautiful 2023 Corvette C8. There has been some modifications already done on the hood. This has a Z51 package, but the modifications that have been done on the hood, we got carbon fiber here. We have carbon fiber on the mirrors. There's been some changes done to the engine bay. We're excited about this because all that is left on this is some beautiful AWZZ atomic wheels. All right, guys, we're getting ready to install this beautiful AWZZ in gloss black staggered setup on a beautiful C8. Front, we're running a 19x9 plus 35 coming in at about 20.5 pounds. In the rear, we got a 20x11.5 plus 45 coming in at about 24.4 pounds. We're gonna show you guys the process of the installation. Not only that, this client opted for complete ceramic coating. So we ceramic coated the face and the barrel of these wheels to help with the cleaning and the maintenance of these wheels. Stay tuned, guys.
Perfection starts before the first mile. These forged wheels are brand new, but before they ever meet the road, they receive a layer of advanced ceramic protection. A precision applied coating that bonds to the surface, forming a durable barrier against heat, brake dust, and harsh road elements. The finish becomes deeper, maintenance becomes effortless, protection becomes long-term. Because wheels like these deserve more than just installation. They deserve preservation. Protection is only the first step. When it comes to forged wheels, installation requires absolute precision. We use professional touchless mounting equipment, eliminating any metal contact with the wheel surface and ensuring the finish remains flawless. Every tire is carefully mounted with controlled pressure and expert handling. Each wheel is then precisely balanced using advanced equipment to ensure perfect rotation and a smooth, vibration-free drive. Because when every detail matters, precision isn't optional, it's the standard.
All right, brother.
Oh my God. Are you kidding me?
Got a brand new ride, man.
Oh man, this makes the car completely different. You were exactly right, man. Oh, this looks amazing. You guys did an amazing job, man.
Calipers are visible.
Well, I'm not gonna even, it's gonna stay in my garage. It's beautiful, man.
19.9s up in the front, 20.11.5 in the rear. Changed the complete look of the C8, man.
And you're right, you can see the calipers so much easier with these. Oh man, because that was one thing that I didn't like, because I couldn't see them unless they were like painted red or something. But man, this looks amazing.
Yeah, it does. I like the black calipers. I like the black calipers. I like the way it looks.
Yeah.
That everything. It's like the carbon fiber even pops more now.
Oh my God, this is not my car, man. This is,
awesome,
I feel like it's a complete upgrade. Oh my God, I can't even believe it, dude.
Your neighbors are gonna be jealous.
Oh my God, yes. I'm gonna go to both my neighbors and be like, so what do you guys think? Oh my God, dude. You know what? I don't like to show off too much, but I'm showing off this time.
Well,
Thank
brother,
you guys so much, man. Woo.
New vehicle, man. Thank you for being
Of course.
client of Atomic Wheels, and welcome to Atomic Wheels family.
Man, thank you so much, guys. Man, you guys did amazing.
Yeah,
Woo.
awesome. Everything's mounted, balanced to perfection. Ceramic coating's complete. It'll make it a little bit easier to wipe down the wheels and wash them down, especially with the open spoke now. You know how with performance vehicles, they're infamous for the brake dust.
Oh yeah.
That ceramic coating is gonna help keep it clean. It'll help clean it up. It'll make that process of cleaning them up a lot easier. So.
Yeah, because it was taking me quite a while to just wash the rims, man.
Let's look at a back shot real quick, man. Look at it from the back. Look at that.
Oh my God. Guys.
Yeah.
Guys, come on.
Yeah,
this looks freaking fantastic. Oh my God.
That back shot's different, man.
Oh.
It just looks faster.
Dude, I'm like, I fell in love with her when I saw her. Now I'm like all over. I'm in love all over again.
Yeah,
it's just
it's
like the
awesome,
first time. but dang, she's an upgrade, man.
Awesome, man.
Holy cow, man.
It's been a real pleasure. Now you get to enjoy her.
Oh my God.
Great job, guys. If you've made it this far, welcome to the Atomic Wheels family. Make sure to drop a like, hit subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you'd love to see more of. Ready to upgrade your setup? Check out your next set at atomicwheels.com and use promo code YTAtomic for 15% off.